Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Look what we've got, a 1970 Volkswagen Bus. This one has just finished a rotisserie restoration. They literally put it on a jig that flips it upside down. It's taken to a bare shell and completely redone. And it is decked out with features, has 23 windows, safari windshields that open, all the racks, the convertible top. It's done inside and out. And one option that's really cool, I didn't even know was available on these until recently, has air conditioning. The system's been all redone. It actually blows cold air inside that car. You can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find price tags on over 200 collector cars as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon, because that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this was on a rotisserie. That way they could paint the whole underneath. It's all solid metal. It's painted the same blue. All the chassis components were removed at that same time and restored. So the steering and suspension's been restored. The brakes are restored. It has disc brakes up front. The motor was out and rebuilt. The exhaust was replaced. So underneath the Volkswagen looks real nice, impressive. So it's decked out, obviously two-tone, great looking colors, blue and white, 23 windows. Every gasket and seal has been replaced. Several of the windows open. You got the corner windows, you got the chrome trim all the way around inside. I don't want this to hit the beam, so I'm not going to leave it open. But you can see inside is all carpeted and painted. All the carpet has bound edges on it. Bumpers are painted. Here's the ladder to get up to the roof rack. There's a front rack. It has radial tires with, they're called porta walls. The white walls are on there for looks. The rims are restored with all new trim. It has this aluminum band going all the way around that makes that V in the front with a chrome stripe in the center of it. See, these windows pop open here. The door windows slide open. And these are called the safari windshields. They pop open. And this one's locked. I'll open the other one. And it has the cyclops light that really makes it unique. Like I said, this thing is decked out. You won't find that light on too many others. Big chrome Volkswagen is new. Look at all the trim. It's all redone. Headlights, mirrors, it's all new stuff. All the rubber gaskets, door handles, all been replaced. So inside, it has third row seating. There you go, I got that one open. That'll let some fresh air in, probably a couple bugs as well. It also has the ventilation system on top, which blows down from under the windshield into the car. But the inside was gutted. All the seats were restored and reupholstered. All the door panels are done to match the seats exactly. Front to back blue carpet with bound edges. It's got some nice looking curtains, vintage looking curtains with matching pillows. Now in the engine compartment, it's all restored, painted, new carburetor and new AC compressor. It's all painted up nice, new battery. It all looks good in there as well. New taillights. When you're sitting in it from the driver's perspective, the metal is all repainted. It has a wire basket with cup holders and a fan that plugs in. The radio is just for looks. It's not a functional radio. It has some nice billet pedals, little pockets in the door, new handles, has a fire extinguisher, blue retractable seat belts for the front passengers, new mirror, new white perforated headliner front to back. installed real nicely. The middle seat folds down partially so you can get into the back real easy. This is a neat vehicle. One, it just grabs attention. We've had a couple of these and they get as much attention as our movie cars. People just are drawn to them. They're so nostalgic, they're so cool. They're not arrogant like driving a new Lamborghini would be. They're just fun vehicles that everyone seems to enjoy. They did make a lot of them, but not many survived. And to be decked out like this one, this is the ultimate. Now, they call it a convertible. The top slides all the way back. This whole thing is open right here. But I think what I was starting to say with the third row seat, you can take your whole family out. You can take your buddies out to the football game. Just you can load them up in here and go use this thing and have fun. And you won't find another one with air conditioning. I highly doubt that. So you've got something here that's completely restored. It's just a nostalgic piece. It could be in anyone's collection, or if it's your only collector vehicle, you're just going to have fun with it. Easy to maintain and work on. So there you have it. That's my impression. You can go to volocars.com and talk to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, please ask them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered anywhere in the world. They can help you with financing. That's all at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you will be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.